straightforward stoichiometry problem, mass to mass. We're going to need the formula weight of each of these compounds. All right, now we start with the measured number we're given in the statement of the question, 178 grams of calcium chloride. We have to convert that to moles so that we can compare it to calcium phosphate. So we've used our formula weight to determine the moles of calcium chloride. Now we can use our balanced chemical equation to determine the mole-to-mole ratio to compare calcium chloride to calcium phosphate. We know in the denominator we need 3 moles of calcium chloride because we have the coefficient of 3 for calcium chloride. Calcium phosphate has an implied coefficient of 1, so we're good. And we see that moles of calcium chloride cancel out. Now we need to multiply by the formula weight to get the grams of calcium phosphate. And we get our calculator answer. Everything in the top indicates multiplication. All the numbers on the bottom indicate division. We write down our calculator answer, go back and check sig figs. We have 3, 5, this is exact, 5, so we're limited to 3 sig figs in our final answer. The first number to be dropped is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the preceding decimal place. We get 166 grams.